3 billion devices run Java right now. 3 billion devices. Your Android phone, your bank's backend server, the Mars rover software, all Java. And today, you are going to write your very first line of it. Here is the thing about Java. A lot of beginners skip it. They think it is old, they think it is complicated, they think Python is the cool kid now. But let me tell you something, companies are still hiring Java developers like crazy. Backend engineers, Android developers, enterprise architects, Java is everywhere in the professional world, and it pays extremely well. So if you want a serious career in software, learning Java is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Let us get into it. So, what actually is Java? Java is a programming language. Simple enough. But it is also a platform. And that second part, the platform, is what makes Java genuinely special. Let me explain what I mean. Java was built around one powerful idea. Write your code once, and run it anywhere. On Windows, on Mac, on Linux, on a tiny embedded chip, the same code, everywhere. No rewrites. No headaches. Just works. Now, how does that actually happen? Because your Windows machine and your Mac are very different machines. They speak different languages at the hardware level. So how does one Java program run on both? This is where the magic lives. And the magic has a name, the JVM. JVM. The Java Virtual Machine. This is the heart of everything. Here is the analogy that will make this click forever. Think about traveling internationally. You bring your laptop charger from home, it has a specific plug shape. But in different countries, the power sockets are completely different. The UK socket looks nothing like a US socket. Nothing like a European socket. Your charger does not fit. So what do you use? A universal travel adapter. You plug your charger into the adapter, and the adapter fits into any socket in the world. Problem solved. Java works exactly like that. Your Java program is the charger. The operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, that is the foreign country with a different socket. And the JVM is the universal travel adapter sitting in the middle. Your program plugs into the JVM, and the JVM plugs into whatever operating system is underneath it. When you write Java code, it does not compile directly into machine code for Windows or Mac. Instead, it compiles into something called bytecode. Bytecode is like a neutral middle language, not quite human-readable, not quite machine code. The JVM then takes that bytecode and translates it into whatever the local machine needs. That is why the same compiled Java program runs on any machine that has a JVM installed. Beautiful, right? Now let us talk about three terms you are going to see everywhere. JVM, JRE, JDK. These trip up almost every beginner. Let us kill the confusion right now. You already know the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine, it runs your bytecode. The JRE is the Java runtime environment. Think of it as the JVM plus a bunch of pre-built tools and libraries that Java programs need to run. If you just want to run a Java program, not write one, you install the JRE. It gives the program everything it needs to execute. But we are here to build things. So we need the JDK. The Java Development Kit. The JDK contains everything, the JRE, the JVM, plus a compiler and all the tools you need to actually write, compile, and test Java programs. JDK is the full workshop. JRE is just the finished product. We want the workshop. Think of it like this. JVM is the engine. JRE is the engine plus the car. JDK is the entire garage with the tools to build the car yourself. We are building the car. Okay. Where is Java actually used? Because this matters for your career. Android development, Java was the original language for Android apps. Billions of phones. Backend web development, companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, LinkedIn, their servers run Java. Enterprise software, banks, hospitals, government systems, Java is the king of large-scale enterprise applications. And even scientific computing, big data tools like Apache Kafka and Hadoop, Java is everywhere. Quick comparison with Python, because someone is always thinking it. Python is fantastic, great for data science, machine learning, quick scripting. Java is stricter, more structured, faster at scale, and dominates enterprise and Android. They are different tools for different jobs. Knowing Java makes you a very serious candidate in the job market. That is the bottom line. Alright. Enough theory. Let us write some code. First thing, install the JDK. Go to adoptium.net, download the latest LTS version. LTS means long-term support, so it is stable and reliable. Install it like any normal program. Once it is done, open your terminal or command prompt and type java-version. If you see a version number printed out, you are set up. You are ready. Now create a new file called helloworld.java. The file name matters, it must match the class name exactly. Capital H, capital W. Here is the code. We write public class hello world, then open curly brace. Inside that, we write public static void main, brackets string array args, close brackets, open curly brace. Then inside that, system.out.println, brackets, quotes, hello world, close brackets, semicolon. Then two closing curly braces. Args, system.out.println, hello world. Now save the file. Go to your terminal, navigate to where you saved it, and type javac helloworld.java. That compiles your code into bytecode. You will see a new file appear, helloworld.class, that is your bytecode file. Then type java hello world, and boom. Hello world prints on your screen. You just ran your first Java program. That is real. What just happened behind the scenes? You wrote source code. The javac compiler turned it into bytecode. The JVM read that bytecode and executed it on your machine. That whole pipeline, write, compile, run, that is the Java cycle. Every Java program follows it. Let us talk about 3 mistakes that catch beginners every single time. Mistake 1, wrong file name. Your file name must exactly match your class name. Capital letters matter. If your class is Hello World, your file must be helloworld.java. Not Hello World, not hello_world. Exact match. Mistake 2, missing semicolons. Every statement in Java ends with a semicolon. Miss one and the compiler throws an error immediately. Get into the habit early. Mistake 3, confusing javac and Java. Javac compiles your code. Java runs it. You need both steps. Beginners often skip the compile step and wonder why nothing works. 2 commands. Every time. So here is your 1-sentence takeaway from today. Java is a platform-independent language. You write your code once, the JVM acts as your universal adapter, and your program runs on any operating system in the world. Install the JDK, write your hello world, run it, and you are officially a Java developer. Day 1 done. Here is your challenge for the comments section. After you run your hello world, change the message to something personal. Your name, your city, anything. Run it again. Then drop what you printed in the comments below. I want to see it. Day 2, we go deeper. See you there.